Okay, many students are being fooled for these types of question. So listen carefully. My first question is going to be how many terms we have in this expression? 2, 3, 4, but actually it's 1. Because you understand the meaning of this, right? It's negative 4 times x cubed times y to the 4th, right? And the second one, like that's a 3 to the 0 times x squared times y. Then what is the meaning between these two? That's also multiplication, right? So they just put this parentheses, okay, for some reason, but eventually everything is just multiplication. So it's exactly the same as the given expression. So whenever you have a times b, you can change the order if you want. You can rearrange the entire multiplication for whatever you want, right? Okay. Just anything you want, right? So once again, what's the meaning of simplification? Make it one term, which is already done. So after you have one term, try to gather in same style ones, right? Numbers, x's, y's, like that, right? So let's put these two numbers together. So don't forget that everything is multiplied, so we have to put this way. Second one is for the terms with x's, right? So it's going to be x cubed, x squared. The remaining one is x to the 4th times y to the 4th times y, right? Now, some tricky parts here is what is 3 to the 0? That is 1. 1 to the 0, 1. 1 million to the 0 is 1. How about 1 over 7 to the 0 is 1. Okay? How about negative 30 to the 0 is 1. So the meaning is, no matter what you have, if the power is 0, the answer should always 1, except 0, right? 0 to the 0 is unknown, okay? So except that part, just any number to the 0 is 1. Okay? So that is just simply 1. The meaning is just a negative 4, right? And here, we already did it in the previous question. That should be not x to the 6, be careful, it should be to the 5th, right? Once again, a times m, a to the m times a to the n is same as a to the m plus n, right? Not multiplication. Multiplication is when you have power to the power style, right? So please remember that and don't be confused about it. So let me explain this way. Y becomes 5, not 6. The meaning of x to the 3 is multiplying x 3 times, right? And what is meaning of x squared? It's multiplying x 2 times. So meaning of the multiplication of x cubed, okay, something is, okay, something is missing around. So x, okay, sorry, it's kind of messy. So x cubed means multiplying x 3 times, x squared means multiplying x 2 times. So if we multiply these two, means x times x, right? So how many x's are multiplied? 5 times. So that's why we want adding these powers, okay? So for the same reason, for this one, is once again y to the 4 plus 1, right? So that should be the answer.